Hi everyone, today we are going to make coffee soap and I'll be just taking you through the making of the soap, how we do it. Now for the coffee soap I have here a mixture of oils. I have taken coconut oil, olive oil, sunflower oil, and I have taken shea butter and cocoa butter. They are all mixed together here and they have been melted. And here we have our lye solution. Now in this soap, for the coffee soap, I have taken coffee instead of water. I have mixed it with the lye, so this is a coffee lye solution that has been made. So this is all ready and it's cooled now, so we can start with the making of the soap. I'll keep telling you what ingredients I am putting in this as we go through. So now as we start, I will just be mixing my coconut milk that I have here for this recipe. I'll be putting it in the oil. And we'll give it a blend here. You can also add the oil later, but I prefer to add, you can add the milk later, but I prefer to add the milk with the oil so that they blend in very well. So now I have blended my milk with the oils here, and now let's pour the coffee lye solution. I'm just straining this off in case if there are any fine lye particles left here, so that wouldn't enter the soap. Just mix it. I'm just adding my fragrance, that is, here I'm using vanilla fragrance oil. I'll just give it a mix. I'll be making a small light batch of a lighter color just to put it on top to make a little bit of decoration. So I'll just remove a little bit of my batter. This is just for the top. I'm just adding a little bit titanium dioxide to give it the cream color for the top. So we'll mix this till we get a light medium trace. Okay, we've got a nice trace here. We can start the pouring. This color is entirely of the coffee. There's no other added colors or anything. It's a pure natural soap, coffee soap, without any other added colors or anything. Just a little titanium dioxide has been added to give a white shade, a little cream shade for the topping. we'll just have to wait till this sets a little before we top it up with the cream coating on top. So now this is a little bit set in the mold, and we have the cream topping what we have made here. So we'll start putting that on the top of the coffee soap. Just have to place it on top here like the cream, coffee cream. Okay, so this just looks like a creamy topping, like a coffee latte soap. So we are all done here. Now we have to wait for this, we have to keep it in the mold for at least about 18 to 24 hours before we start our cutting. So we'll be back now, maybe tomorrow, for the cutting. Till then, bye. Stop. Hi everyone, so today is the next day, and we have unmolded the coffee soap that we had made yesterday. It's all dried up, and now we'll start with the cutting. Let's see how the soap has turned out to be. Okay, so this is how the soap looks. It's pretty nicely gelled inside, and it's looking really beautiful. Okay, so this is a coffee soap that's all ready, and it looks really nice and pretty from the inside. So friends, you'll get this recipe in the description box. I have written down the quantity of what oils I have used and everything that is used, the lye water solution, everything will be mentioned there, so you can go and have a look. And if you've liked my videos, please like and subscribe for it, so I could come up with more new recipes, more new soap recipes that I have, and share it with you, and make all these lovely soaps together. Thank you so much. Bye.